Have you been looking for the perfect combination of classic cool with safety and sophistication? Then look no further than the 2019 Dodge Charger SXT in Mango Tango with LED fog lights and daytime running lamp system, heated mirrors, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio-mounted controls, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, backup camera, remote start system, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5323.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.